In the next part, I will show you something that you will work with your frying pan. In order to work with your frying pan, you will need some interesting tools. It should be something like this, you know. We have in this pack a whole bunch of them. But I will show you this three one just to understand how it works. This one is good to manage quantities of liquid. So just please. I wonder if I can drink beer with this. I think it's a good idea. I'm like just cooking, you know, cooking and cooking and cooking. And when nobody sees me, I turn around like this or like this. I pour some beer here and, or maybe I can use it in my cooking. Can you imagine chicken in my frying pan with a drop of beer? It could be interesting. So this is one of them. We have another one, a smaller one. You know, this one. This one will be good to turn things around in your frying pan. Maybe you can pour some sauce or I don't know, everything you want to use it for. And this one is a very, very interesting one. You know that this is good for spaghetti. If you like spaghetti, pasta, this will manage. And when you make spaghetti, this hole is for one person and the other for two persons. So if you are cooking for two persons, for yourself and for your wife that you have already gifted those beautiful yoga pants, you will have to fold this one and this one like this with spaghetti, and you will have for two people, for two persons. So you are ready to make the sauce. Are you ready to go to the next level of cooking? Of course you do. Of course you do. So you will need to use this silicone one or maybe something similar just in order not to damage your frying pan. You know that if you're using metal, when you're using metal, you will scratch your frying pan. And that frying pan won't do a good job. Even you will get to eat that part that gets scratched. No, you better use silicone tools. I know you'll do. I know you will do. So, I really hope you will do it. Oh yeah, I really hope.